Hello folks, I just wanted to make this quick video because I noticed that recently Izea has made a few changes on their website. About a couple of changes. Actually they made a few changes, but the ones that kind of stood out to me was, well, this first one that I noticed is a thing called Unity Workflow. Basically you sign into your Izea account. Oh, by the way, if you want to learn how to hook up your Izea account to your social media accounts, go and check out the videos that I have here on my channel. They'll show you how to hook up to Izea so you can start making some money. So, like I said, I noticed a couple of things they hooked up to Izea, and well, the first thing I noticed was Unity Workflow. So I click on that, and this, when you click on that in your dashboard, you'll see something like this. Ooh, wow, that's new. The last time I checked this, it was at 6. Now it's at 7. I wonder what's going on. Let's hit that. They said it's another thing on here. Alright, so what did they add on here? Well, these are the offers, all the stuff you can bid on. And, oh, that's new. Starbucks. Okay, so what they want us to do. Okay. So basically this allows you to bid on an offer based on your demographics, as it says here. And basically it says make sure you set your connections, enter a payout, and agree to any terms. And you would do that over here on this section. And you would go down here. And then of course that's going to be, this particular offer is for my Instagram account. Now if you want to find out the details about what you exactly have to do, you definitely want to hit this little button right here called View Details. Hit on that, and that'll pretty much tell you everything you need to know. So yeah, that will tell you everything you need to know, what you need to do. And then once you do it, and of course, if they like what you bid, they like your price bid, they'll pretty much snatch you up. You do the gig, and they pay you what you want. You just put how much you want to get paid for this service right here. And of course, you'll go over here to check that you got everything checked off. All the stuff that you did that is already done and is ready to go will be in green, and stuff you need to do is going to be in this color. So as you know, we haven't entered a payout. We haven't done that, and we haven't had, clicked on that button either. Now I'm just going to click on this button so you can see the color change over here for this terms thing, so you can see what happens. See, that's what happens. So once you fill out everything, it turns green, which means you're cool. You're good to go. And after everything's set and everything, you'll see a little submit button right here. You hit that, you submit your bid, and if the advertiser likes what they see, likes what you were saying here, they'll contact you and you'll complete the task. Alright, so let's go back to the workflow thing. This is the normal dashboard you would see when you usually log into Izea. And the other thing I want to get to, which is what this video is really about, is that I noticed they add something to connections. So you would go to connections, alright, and as you notice, I got many social network connections, and of course I connected a blog here. I got all these connected. Everything that got a number behind them is basically connected to the account I have from each place, especially Pinterest, Tumblr, Twitter, WordPress, and of course my 2 YouTube channels, and this new thing, Twitch. They just added this recently. Now, all you basically have to do is hit this add a Twitch account, and then you'll log into your Twitch account through here, and then you'll go through a series of setups telling you how to hook up to your account and everything, and then you're good to go. Now, once you hook up your Twitch account and everything's up and running, you're gonna see something down here, your account down here, along with something like this. Let me show you. Wait, no, not that. I'll show you this. Alright. You'll see something like these tabs. You'll see something that says topics, target audience, and asking price. So basically what you do is go down to communities, check off basically, with your best guess, check off what your audience might be into. Because once you hook up your account to Twitch and everything, you're going to be advertising for the advertisers. So you want to give them a good demographic of who's watching your channel, your streaming channel. You got people that like, for instance, food. Everybody likes food. People like entertainment. You'll click that off. If you got people that's mostly family like, you will click that off, and etc. If you got people on your Twitch channel that are into technology, you definitely will click that off. And basically, based on these demographics and everything, you'll get offers based on this. And of course, the same thing happens over here. You put in little tags over here, each one with a comment behind it, like shopping, electronics, etc., etc. You put that stuff over here, and just be sure to complete each section so that you'll get the offers that you qualify for. So I clicked on this part. I clicked English. I'm pretty sure the people that would be watching the Twitch channel would be making like $20,000 to $40,000 a year. But if you got people that for sure are making way more money than that, and they watching your channel, Twitch channel, you definitely want to click any one of these over here too, or this. You can click 3 age groups over here. So I click this, that, and that. And then over here, what is the main, what's the main people that's actually watching your channel? Now, of course, you can always change this. You can always come back to your connections on Izea and change this. At this point, I clicked here. I can come back later and click there, or later on I can click there, But the only way you would know that is if you got a good guess about who's, watching your channel. But anyway, you pretty much do that part, and then you go to asking price, and you basically put any price you want here. But keep in mind that whatever price you put there, put something like a reasonable price. That way, it won't be overlooked. You don't want to be overlooked. So, and that's pretty much it. You do that with your Twitch account. Once you add it, you set up all that stuff there. And of course, you got to pick one more thing. Of course, after you set everything up and everything, you did all the checking off and everything, always hit the Save Changes button. Definitely hit that. You'll see something like this, and boom, your account has been updated. So that's how you add your Twitch account to Izea. Now, like I said, if you haven't signed up for Izea, I will be providing a link in this video. Well, actually in the video description of this video, and they will take you right straight there, and you can sign up for Izea. You can sign up for Izea using your Facebook account. So, if you have a Facebook account, you're good to go. If you don't, you can still sign up for it. And then after you sign up for it, follow the other 2 videos before this that will show you how to fully implement and set up your account with Izea. And definitely follow the directions I just gave in this video for Twitch. So, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.